let's get into it. Start off with none other than CoinGecko. And in terms of the price of Bitcoin, let's refresh that. 20,337 and Ethereum $1,151. Fear and Greed Index should be around 13. Sits on 13. Now it's pretty much been around that area for the past week or so, right? It's been right there. So not a big change with that, but still the sentiment is still extreme fear. So that has not changed. Now let's get into the news. And we'll start off with crypto winter has had a chilling effect on Coinbase and Robinhood. That should come as no surprise, right? And the effect it's actually had is, if I'm correct, both of these are down essentially around 75% in total, right? So they've been beat down pretty bad. But look, any project, anything period, that claims that they are, we'll call it crypto recession or crypto winter proof, is full of crap. When the bears come, everything goes out the window, period. We've been talking about how Bitcoin was recession proof and this and that. No, it's not. It's just not. One day, will it be? Quite possibly, but right now, it's just not. Whatever the stock market does, well, crypto follows. And whatever crypto does, the whole crypto market and everything associated with it follows as well. Now, hedge funds. So hedge funds launch coordinated attack on Tether's USDT following Terra Luna crash. Now, this doesn't surprise me at all. And I'll just tell you, as far as this, to be cautious. Now, the real issue has been with the algorithmic stable coins, but still, there's been all this FUD for years about Tether and, is it backed? And I think it was probably sometime last week, discussed an article, and Tether came out and said that they were going to be having an audit done by a Big 12 firm. Haven't seen the results of that yet, but it's something you want to watch for, right? I like USDC, but at the end of the day, Tether has been good as well. So just keep an eye on that. You got to watch out, right? You have your money in these things and you can't afford to make mistakes. Coinbase ignites crypto rallies after listing several altcoins built on Ethereum and Solana. So that's what usually happens. We call it the Coinbase pump. Pretty much anything that goes on there does usually have a good surge, right? It's pretty normal. Coinbase will add support for XCN, Metis, Mona, AST, Media, and on Solana Network SPL. So that's a good thing. It says do not send this asset over other networks or your funds may be lost. So obviously always pay attention to what address you are sending crypto to and the network that you are using. You do not want to lose your money over something so simple. Snoop Dogg says crypto bear market weeded out those abusing the opportunities. Well, it weeded out a lot more than those that were abusing the opportunities, but that's the way it goes. And those who typically stick around, right, and stand strong. Now, I'm not telling you what to do, but I'm just simply saying those who are in this market 3 years from now, 4 years from now, maybe even as short as 2 years from now or a year, will tend to be in a better position than they are present day. So those who have been in crypto understand that's just how it rolls. U.S. Patent and Trademark Office hosts blockchain event series. Now, I think this is pretty cool because they are hosting once a month, I think it is, webinars just to discuss the metaverse, to discuss basically intellectual property and blockchains, and as far as what could qualify for patents and things like that. So I do think it's great that the U.S. Patent and Trademark Office is doing this and not just waiting. How long have we been waiting on regulation, right? So I'm glad to see that. So look, that is pretty much the news, right? Thank you for checking out the channel. As always, I'll put links in the description of all the articles. and the news that's going on in today's rundown. And also, I'll have links in the description for Ledger hardware wallets if you're looking for that, unstoppable domains. Even if you're not trying to flip domains, well, you can go and get your own personal domain before someone else gets it. And it really does make it easier for someone to send crypto. It's not the long address. It can be the simplest address in the world, and you can go claim yours. Links in the descriptions. Thank you for checking out the channel. And I really, really appreciate each and every one of you all that have subscribed, watch my content, and just roll with this channel. I really appreciate it. Take care.